Hello everyone, you're welcome to this video. So for those that want to migrate abroad to settle, or you want to move abroad, for whatever reason you may have, right? Study is one of the easiest routes to make it abroad. Regardless of which country you want to go to, study is the easiest. So in this video, I want to show you schools you can apply to and get a scholarship. You school study for free. So this video is basically about how to study abroad for free. All right, so I'm going to be showing you the schools to apply and just all the details involved, the website, what is needed, if you need IELTS or not, just everything you need to apply to move on the study route and to do it without breaking the bank. So stick with me in this video where I'll be showing you everything. If we are just meeting, my name is Jackie and you're welcome to the channel. Do subscribe if you want to be seeing more videos like this. On this channel, I share information that's going to help you in your relocation journey, whether you want to move abroad for work or for study, or you just want to go live in a different country. I have information that is going to help you with this. So do subscribe to the channel and also turn on the post notification bell so you know every time I share a new video. And if you're a returning subscriber, thank you so much for always coming back. Thanks for the support. I truly appreciate you. And if you want to talk to me personally, I have a one-on-one consultation, so you can send me an email so we can get to talk about your own personal needs. All right, so let's get straight into the video. So this is for international students. So I just decided to go straight to the page where there's details for international students. So we just get to see, the main information first. So Hartwick values a campus environment with a global perspective. That's why we offer international students scholarships of $25,000 to $37,000 per year. So that is a lot of scholarship, right? So you don't need to break the bank to school in America. This is one school you can take advantage of to, school with this scholarship they're offering to international students. So we offer our students $32 million in institutional aid to help make this personalized education affordable. Awards are based on a variety of factors, and limited amounts of need-based financial aid are also available every year. Hartwick is a smart choice, so you need to apply as soon as possible so that you can have access to these scholarships, because as you can see here, it says that limited amounts of need-based financial aid are available every year, but there is a merit-based one and then there are the need-based ones. All right, okay, so more reasons to apply to this school, right? So the first one obviously is this scholarship is so amazing. $25,000 to $37,000 scholarship per year. That is really good. So now another reason to go to this school is that there is no application fee. No application fee. Applying to this school is completely free, so there's no initial commitment, so you have nothing to lose really. So just send in your application, and if you get a scholarship, good for you, you're good to study. Okay, you have nothing to lose. And another reason to choose this school is that official test scores are required from just one of the following exams: the SAT, the ACT, TOEFL, or IELTS, right? So just one of them. So you choose the one that is best for you and write it, yeah? And then another reason, right, is to school here is the diverse culture, right? They have students from 20 different countries on the campus. So that is really good, right? So there's a lot of diversity. So as an international student, you're going to feel right at home because there are many other international students in the school. And then another reason listed here why you need to choose this school is the admissions process and the educational experience at Hartwick are highly personal. It is highly personal, right? So it's personalized education that you're having here. Okay, so let's see the minimum test scores for the ones that they've recommended. So for IELTS, it's 5.5. So you aim to score 5.5 in your IELTS exam. And then if you do choose TOEFL, for the internet-based one, it is 80. The minimum test scores is 80. And for the paper-based one, it is 550. Then for SAT, it is 420. And for ACT, it is 21. All right. So that's it. So there's an opportunity to have a virtual chat with the school. If you have inquiry or any of that, they said we would love to give you the opportunity to tell us more about yourself. At Heart Week, we are committed to considering the whole student, and this is a great way for you to tell us your story to help us get a holistic view of your application. Set up an optional virtual chat with your admissions counselor with this email address here. Now this is optional, right? But I would advise you do that so they can get to know more about you and why you're best suited, for this school and their scholarships as well. So if you're, try to, sign up for this virtual chat, it's gonna help you. Okay, so they have a lot of majors and minors in this school. Okay, so they have music and arts majors, nursing majors, and homeschooled students. All right, so if you were homeschooled, this is for you. All right, so just a whole lot of information available here. So let me just try to show you as much as I can. Let's see. Should we see academics? Okay, let's see the academics. Let's see what they have here. Hartwick's top 5 majors are nursing, business administration, psychology, biology, and criminal justice. And there's so much more to explore. So this is the top 5. That is not to say that is all they do. You have access to 45 courses of study, 4 pre-professional programs, 6 cooperative programs and certifications. Plus, you can design your own major as you plan your flight path. So this is a very interesting school. So I really want everybody, to look into it. So these are the majors, the minors, and programs that they have in this school, right? So this is the list, quite a long list. You can see accounting, art, geology, public health, a whole lot of them. And then the pre-professional programs, pre-engineering program, pre-law and pre-med, and all of that. And then for graduate degrees, there is nursing education. So it's really a good one. So I think people should take advantage of this. So let's look at deadlines. So early decision is November 1, and that is just for early decision, yeah? And if you don't meet that, the regular decision is rolling. So this is a rolling admission. Hartwick reviews applications at time of completion. In general, admission decisions are rendered within 2 weeks. So within 2 weeks, you get your decision on your application, and you can apply at any time. It's a rolling, there's no opening or closing, right? So you can apply immediately. So I'm going to drop the link to this in the description so you can go look at it and see all the information that you need. So requirements for international students. Hartwick offers advanced placement and credits for scores of 3 or better on many of the advanced placement tests of the College Board, so it's a lot. So just go through it and see all this information. All right. So you can contact them with this email address, or you can ring them, if you have any inquiry. So the name of this school is Hartwick College. Obviously, I've mentioned the name many times in this video. So that is it. Link in the description box so you can go see it and send in your application as soon as possible. I hope you found that valuable. If you did, do give this video a thumbs up. That is a like, so others that need this kind of information will get to see the video, all right? And also subscribe to the channel if you've not done that already. Thank you so much for watching. My name is Jackie, and I will see you in my next video.